Good job. Good job.
Awesome, man. Keep it in. Man on, man on, man on.
Go, move.
We got 17 minutes.
No, she don't. She don't care what you do.
Good hustle.
She's gonna tell you to stay away.
Mine found out I was staying from varsity. She said, I'll be sick.
Good. Yeah,
Go to bed.
we got church and CCD in the morning.
Oh, she'll be, I tell you what, she go to put your jammies on, she'll be cuddled up on the couch, she'll be out. Cause I'll hit the fireplace, she'll be gone. And I can watch football the rest of the night. What?
She wants to watch that.
Oh, I want to see that. I haven't seen it yet. There's a lot that I want to go see, I just don't get my time to do it. That's my own fault. I mean, what was
Hustle up, boy!
What was it, Friday last night? Had nothing to do. I mean,
2 men up.
last night I
on the
was
net.
Two men up.
kids, they got out or something. And I wanted to, and I'm like, hey, dude, I'll think I'll swing down. Next thing you know, I sat on the couch and dozed off, and then I told him, Mom, you can't even kick the legs off. So I think I'll swing by. Well, it's already almost 8:30. I really don't want to kind of start. If I'm going there, I want to go to B-Dubs and eat at the same time. But I want to take a shower and warm up. So,
No, outside.
Well done.
I told him we're gonna have it in the summer party. It's in the summer pretty quick.
The maids are tired, man.
I think I'm gonna put a cover on it for a while. I don't think anybody's gonna use the pool anymore.
Go ahead, make them run
You too, Jeremiah. Good hustle.
Kid got some speed, huh?
Good throw back.
See, the Buckeyes barely won.
I didn't want to talk about the Buckeyes.
7. Well, Urban Meyer benched everybody.
I think he started on quarterback now.
Well, now they're gonna put Barrett in. Put Barrett in. They almost should put Braxton in. But Braxton is making a name.
Come on, Jeremiah, go on the count.
You know, the upper in the NFL. And I think he can't bring that stuff. But we're lucky. I can't believe we barely beat Northern Illinois.
I think I'd be worried about the turn. Oh.
Well, that was, I was talking to my buddy Craig. He had called and told him it was canceled for tomorrow. He said, yeah, the Buckeyes turned it on. I said, it was close. So we won by 7. He had a pick 6 that put us ahead. I go, what? He says, I said, the last thing I remember reading was they're figuring out Cardell. And if they don't change it and figure it out, we're gonna start losing. Well, he said the first 2 series, he threw interceptions.
Yeah, and then when he handed the ball off to
And see, he ran the ball 26 times, then you get 100 yards.
did one fumble though, quarterback put the ball right on his head.
And you lost it.
I stopped watching.
Well, that's what Craig said, he's a diehard Buckeye fan. And he says, it was good to watch. It was sick. Oh, nice.
No turn, no turn, no turn, no turn. Come on. Watch short. There it is.
Nice
Ooh,
job.
yeah, you saved it.
Yes. Yes.
Hopefully we had the middle.
Good hustle.
Tell me you're hanging with Bob and trying to have it look like a long time.
Yeah.
Should get a kick out of it.
Dude, Hoover marks nobody and waits for them to come in. That's risky.
That's what I said. They put everybody.
I feel bad for him now that I feel a little warmer. I feel bad for him. I mean, I'm sure they're probably.
No turn.
You left?
Nice.
Yeah, I even offered, I told her, you guys ready to go, we'll go now. He just put his warm ups on them. They were dry, so.
Middle of the field, middle of the field, middle of the field.
There you go. Good ball. Shoot, shoot. Oh. Drop it.
Blake out.
No force. Good. Somebody step.
Kid's not letting him go through.
10 minutes here.
Also too good.
Oh, Dave's commander.
Zach.
Really?
Who's the other forward? Do we have two forwards or one forward?
I don't know.
We have two forwards or one forward. Because look at all this space over here.
Looks like there's one full.
Yeah.
He does, but it was
And,
Marking that skip on.
drop it.
Oh, we gotta call it off. You ain't got time.
Go. Good turn. Good effort. Watch short. He's gonna roll it. There it is. For the 15th time. Play to feet. That was a good tackle. I don't know if that would have been a foul.
Take your time, make it.
move. Really?
Yes!
Dang it.
You need a little bit of luck.
Who is that, Alex?
I don't know, but I thought that was a wasted kick. I did. Whoever did that was beautiful.
I don't know.
You can't replay that, baby?
No, not until later. It's recording.
I want to know who that was.
Not until after it.
That was it. I didn't think he had a prayer.
Can't buy herself a goal in these last 2 games. There you go, Hunter.
You're right.
Good, Jeremiah. Weight to feet.
Come on.
Yeah, 7 minutes.
You don't have time to wait. I like your point. Oh, Jesus. Hunter, you gotta hustle.
Good kick. Someone get to it. Good. No, you know the ball's going to be flicked over. Why don't you just stand behind it?
Yeah.
It happens 90% of the
I was
time.
going to say, how many times doesn't it happen?
Don't stand. Don't stand.
Good ball.
Fields, let's go.
Line run.
You got it. Go through.
Oh. It was a good effort, Blake. Good effort.
DJ, go get the ball.
Can't cut it inside of the
Challenge him now, challenge him. Boy.
They have pressure.
Win the ball in the air. There you go. Oh, good tackle.
He hit one step on. He gets that. Go to him. What are you standing there for?
Good hustle, Jeremiah. No turn, no turn, no turn. Good.
It's all right. It's ours.
5 minutes.
Come on, big throw, Brody. Big throw.
We've tuned back.
Come in. Someone come in.
The 20-yard marker.
Oh, Latimer.
So did I. I thought he was kicking it.
Cross.
I thought he was going to shoot that too. I mean, the first one.
Watch short.
Gerald. CJ to short. Nope.
Not that one. Back
So-
again. Let's go.
Good.
It's ours. Let's go.
All right, good work.
Hustle to the ball.
4 minutes.
I hear your voice, but I didn't see your phone. Come on, boys.
You got time.
Nice.
There you go.
Let's go, babe. Let's go.
There you
Come
go.
on, Alex.
You got it. Ain't that much time.
Hustle up.
I mean, you've had every opportunity.
Put it in.
4 times.
Quickly shoot it. Quickly shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it. Shoot it.
Don't you have to wait?
No.
No.
Well, you shouldn't have to, unless if he purposely asked for the wall to be set. But
Go to Ruddy.
Who's that right there? Who's that jogging back right now? It's a 20. Okay. Now, I think he was the one that headed the other one.
Come on, guys.
Guys, at least end the scaring the tie, please.
You know, I was crying over a tie earlier, and now I wanted a tie. Okay, here's your last run, probably.
Yes, yes, yes. Oh, that ball skipped. Good ball.
Don't allow him to swing across. Good.
1 minute. 2 minutes to go, let's go.
That's all. That's all.
They're just going to pressure the ball.
They're just gonna waste time. Good passing all over.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Get up on it.
Enough, you'll bring it back. Bring it back out. You did.
No,
I looked down and I
that
see
was
the
our-
ball in there, I'm like,
No, our player kicked it, so I thought it was gonna be on the ball.
They were offside.
that header was bad luck.
Was that it?
Who did the header? Oh, Zalek, okay. We were gonna wait to see if we could catch it. I mean, how much was that luck
This guy's encouraging them.
That's it. Tommy got a card?
That's bad.
dominated the second half? Who is it?
As a captain, you shouldn't do that.
It's like the second half. This year, this is just a
Come
good
on.
game.
16
We had our
seconds.
shots.
Go.
10, 9, 8, 7,
Got it, got it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.